Hello rukwapo muri. Mbathirikari hungano kusho mundo uhe unondero yokuvangwanu omwashi uhepo kuvangwa oshina shimukonekta kuno munene wepo kuno mundu pumekuriri nepundo maringitwara ko Valentine. What is Valentine? Ongwa should celebrate Valentine. Do we really understand kushavi o Valentine oshina ishadapi? Penal story more than 50 about the real Valentine, who's Saint Valentine. Valentine ena romundu. So one of the story, it's about a pastor who got kidnapped by people who didn't believe in Christianity, and then Gundari Mondorongo, he healed their daughter who was blind. So automatically, Eshimoto Gumona, she saw the pastor. That was the first person that she saw, Shomundu Ngwa, who got healed. So many stories came from that, that eventually Saint Valentine, he went to be executed. So he left a note for the girl that he healed. This is one version, and after that, so many stories came to light. And so he left a note of affection for her, right? So Mara, one of the things that I've realized with globalization are companies, people, we can make money out of this day. It's not a public holiday. No, it's not a public holiday. It's just a celebrated day. And sometimes matu celebrate because sometimes we can celebrate something that is so anti our own belief systems, so anti where our moral value or moral compass is. So where does something always come from, especially shishero shombagu yetu? It creates a lot of conflict. Nambano oruthivero, it should be something that you live by. It should be how you communicate with your partner. It should be something people can see without expecting you kushavi muthokumopo on gift. Now the tricky thing is, one of the psychological element of Valentine's Day, ikan yanjo pressure kushavi. We as women, we must be celebrated. We must be given gifts. Then it's a problem. And yautokuriro oppression ko varumentu numekotoka noho ko vakaendu kushavi. Why is that not such a good thing? Iro pressure ko varumentu kushavi. Now it's like it's expected of me on this day shimba hanjero ngifta okusha penohela pongand, which is so not okay. Omunda uhe uno love language aye. There's a book called The Love Language. They just need to be told I love you. They want physical touch, meaning okumyangwa, or just being given a hug, given gifts. So there's so many types of ways to express Mara, what the market has done, they've picked up kushavi, we can make so much money on this day. Mara kushavi, everybody wants to be in the good books with their partners, no? And it becomes an issue. So hapo nambano Valentine, the way we celebrate it, oku yaritha kuye kushambi vangwa po mbafuverwa po oku vangoku okuria feme kushavi I have someone. Mana kushavi nuka vandave wandushwa, it's like I need to show off kusha, this is what I did with my partner on Valentine's. And sometimes unanjonji karira or conflict. Hiri kona mimbia ne, I'm actually in the States. No shinashi mweshimba munina on Valentine's. Almost nobody pumbari, and we had so many outings, was wearing red and black or red and white. It was maybe an event Angurova where people will go take their spouses or they had dinner. Mara, we look to the Western world, we look to what is the outside world doing. No, but Shimbiri Munomi, I saw nothing of the sort. It wasn't big advertised. It wasn't there's chocolates, balloons, there's what. Mara, it wasn't a big thing. Shinashiri kwanganda. So mwanao katiti inashwa kukengeza ushavi. What do we follow, and are these really true to what we are believing in, or are we just spending money spending money? It's not a problem, no. If you really want to spoil your partner, it's fine. Mara, it shouldn't be conflicted. On Dinondi, I have to give flowers. I have to give what? Mara, what you can do is the following. Like, you can just say, okay, baby, today I'm going to cook food. or I'm gonna massage you, more relax. It's not a public holiday unless it's your tomorrow both on the high and both of you are not working. And then you take the day off and you just spend time together and show each other affection. Or show each other affection, stay together. Mbili peno another lady in Estonia. For them in Estonia, Valentine's Day, it's a day of friendship, showing affections to your friends, which I, oh, okay, let's just take time out to celebrate it. And it's not a big pressure. So it was a good discussion that I was having with her, which I, oh, okay, we kind of misread things. No, shinashimwe show. Shetu, putu, tata, no, hoporumwe. We want to be so much like the Americans, and we want to be so much like whoever, and that sometimes that brings so much pressure and unwanted things in our lives. For example, bidaro o Nike kauri. Okay, mara Nike is more expensive the shipping involved, there's what involved. Mara munomo it's so cheap. You can just go on Amazon and you get it in the next day or 2 days. So it's a bit cheaper. Mara, we want to mimic that. We want to be so outside our own culture. We forget who we are, Shovandu. So sometimes we need to look at what are we celebrating? What is it that I'm wanting from that culture? How is it affecting me directly? Hinagushavi don't celebrate Valentine, but I'm saying let's be realistic. Let's celebrate Valentine to show affection for each other, not because I need to show off. Oh, I'm getting a rose, I'm getting a what? Because while I'm here, there's so many men conference clips that I'm seeing. The men are becoming anxious about it, and so yeah, let's stay woke. Let's read. Let's try to understand and celebrate love every single day when you are with your spouse, and not on a specific commercialized holiday. We can make so much money on this one day because there's this pressure that I need to show, otherwise I'm in trouble. Yeah, so find your love language. Look at the book that I said. What is your love language? How do you spend time with your spouse more? And if you want to show off, it's fine. If you want to go out there and do your thing and put on your status and put on Facebook, good for you if both of you are okay with that. Matter if one of the spouses can't, compromise on what can we do as a couple? Where can we get together? What can we do together to show each other affection? Povi, stay woke, keep kind, and be good to each other. Peri now.